YouTube, this is Syra. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to hard reset your Infinix S5 in case you forgot your password. For this case, you switch off your phone. My phone is already switched off. You place the volume up key and the power button. You long press. You give it some few time because anytime now it's going to finish. So for my case, it has brought the Infinix powered by Android. You long press, you don't move off your fingers on those buttons. You give it some few seconds. It's going to bring no command. You wait for few seconds, few. So for my case, I'm having XOSO cheater, no command. For this case, you place the volume down key. You have to be on the power button plus the volume up key. You use this volume up and down key to move. First thing to do, you wipe catch partition, then you say yes, as you can see. So you come to wipe factory reset data. You place power button to accept, volume down key in order to say yes. For my case, my phone is now reducing data. So for this case, you reboot your phone. Thanks for watching. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Thank you.